Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off active status on WhatsApp. So if you want nobody to get notified about your activity status, so you guys must have to turn off your active status on WhatsApp. So let's begin with the tutorial. So you guys have to simply open up WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. So after opening up WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply click on the top right corner of three dots. And here you guys have to simply click on settings. So after clicking on setting, you guys have to simply select the second option, which is privacy. And in the privacy section, you guys can also see the first option, which is last seen and online. You guys have to simply click on it. And here you guys have to simply select the last option, which I have already selected, the nobody. And here in the below section, you guys have to simply click on the second option, which is same as last seen. And in this way, you guys can turn off activity status on WhatsApp. I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.